You know the feeling. You love getting your family outdoors, but your car just isn't on the same page. You spot the perfect campsite down a muddy trail and have to turn back. You're packing for a ski trip, and it feels like a losing game of Tetris against a mountain of gear. The kids are cramped, the dog's getting antsy, and your sense of adventure is shrinking before you even leave the driveway. You don't just need a vehicle that tolerates your family's adventures, you need one that actually makes them happen. What if there was a car designed for exactly that? A vehicle built from the ground up to solve the real-world problems active families face every day. We're about to break down the 5 reasons the all-new 2026 Subaru Outback isn't just another crossover. It might just be the ultimate family adventure vehicle. Reason 1. Uncompromising safety for total peace of mind. Let's be honest, the first job of any family car is to keep everyone inside it safe. For families who find themselves on remote highways or dealing with unpredictable weather, that peace of mind is everything. This is where the 2026 Outback really shines. Every 2026 Outback comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology. This isn't just basic cruise control. It's a whole suite of safety systems that acts like a vigilant co-pilot. It includes advanced adaptive cruise control with lane centering, which helps with steering, braking, and throttle to keep you centered and reduce fatigue on long highway slogs. The system also features pre-collision braking, which can apply full braking force in an emergency to help prevent or lessen the severity of a frontal crash. Features like blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert add another layer of awareness, which is a lifesaver in busy parking lots or when changing lanes on the freeway. Subaru's philosophy is built around a multi-layered approach to safety, from a strong protective frame to these kinds of intelligent electronic aids. It's all designed to let you focus less on the what-ifs and more on the adventure right in front of you. Reason 2. A cabin built for the realities of family life. The perfect family car isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about surviving the journey with your sanity intact. It needs space, comfort, and the durability to handle everything from muddy boots to bulky camping gear. Subaru's designers clearly get it, because the 2026 Outback's interior is a masterclass in practicality. One of the most noticeable changes is the new, taller roofline. This redesign directly addresses a common complaint of past models by noticeably boosting interior space, especially for rear passengers. Headroom is now generous in both the front and back, so even taller teens and adults won't feel cramped on long drives. This change also helps expand the cargo area, which now offers a cavernous 34.6 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats, and a massive 80.5 cubic feet with them folded down. That's more than enough room for hockey bags, strollers, or a big dog crate, making the weekend pack-up way less stressful. But it's the thoughtful, family-friendly details that really stand out. The seats have been redesigned to reduce fatigue on long journeys, and chassis improvements create a steadier ride with less side-to-side motion, a blessing for anyone prone to motion sickness. For those who really get out there, the available StarTex water-repellent upholstery is a game-changer, letting you easily wipe away mud, snow, or spills without a second thought. Factor in available features like heated rear seats, rear USB ports, and a hands-free power liftgate, and the Outback's cabin feels less like a precious space and more like a comfortable, durable base camp for your family's life. Reason 3. True all-terrain, all-weather capability. A lot of crossovers look the part of an adventurer, but the 2026 Outback is one of the few that can actually back it up. For families who ski, camp, or just have a cabin down a long gravel road, this capability is the difference between getting there and turning around. At the heart of every Outback is Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, standard on every single trim. This isn't a part-time system that only kicks in when things get slippery. It constantly distributes power for maximum traction, giving you confidence whether you're in a snowy parking lot or on a muddy trail. This is paired with a standard ground clearance of 8.7 inches, which is already higher than many so-called SUVs. You'll also find X mode across the lineup, which optimizes the engine and all-wheel drive system for slippery surfaces or steep inclines with the push of a button. It even includes hill descent control, which automatically handles the braking on steep downhill sections, so you can just focus on steering. Reason 4. Smart, usable technology that actually helps. In a world of distracting, overly complicated infotainment systems, the 2026 Outback delivers tech that's both advanced and refreshingly easy to use. When you're trying to navigate, manage music, and keep the kids happy, your car's technology should be a helper, not another headache. The centerpiece of the new cabin is a large vertical 12.1-inch class touchscreen that comes standard on all models. The system is quick and responsive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration for seamless access to your phone's apps, maps, and music. But here's the best part. Subaru listened to its customers and kept physical, tactile buttons for core climate controls like temperature and defrosters. This is a huge win for usability. It means you can make quick adjustments without taking your eyes off the road or fumbling through on-screen menus, especially if you're wearing gloves. The cabin is also kitted out with modern must-haves, like an available wireless charging pad and a Wi-Fi hotspot to keep everyone's devices charged and connected. This thoughtful blend of cutting-edge screens and practical, real-world controls makes the Outback's tech one of the most user-friendly in its class. Reason 5. Long-term value and trim flexibility. Buying a family car is a huge investment, and you need a vehicle that's not only capable, but also dependable and sensible in the long run. The Subaru Outback has built a rock-solid reputation for reliability, longevity, and holding its value exceptionally well over time, which makes it a smart financial choice. This reputation for durability has made the Outback a longtime favorite for anyone who values a good return on their investment. But beyond that, the 2026 Outback lineup gives you incredible flexibility, so you can pick a model that perfectly fits your priorities and your budget. The lineup offers a clear path. Want the core package of all-wheel drive, top-tier safety, and tons of space? The premium trim delivers all that. Craving more creature comforts like leather-trimmed upholstery and a premium Harman Kardon sound system for road trips? The limited and touring trims offer a near-luxury experience. The 2026 Subaru Outback is a vehicle that just gets it. It solves the problems active families face with a mix of smart engineering and practical design. It's a safe, comfortable daily driver during the week and a rugged, spacious adventure rig on the weekend. It's proof that you don't need a giant truck-based SUV to get genuine capability, and you don't have to sacrifice comfort or tech to get there. For the family that needs one vehicle to do it all, the 2026 Outback makes a powerful case for being the only car you'll ever need. For more video like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.